Hello people, this is another video of Jimmy Beckwith. I'm on my vacation in a cabin, and I got a vacuum that the people like. Let me just show you it because it's old. A Hoover Ritbot, an old brand vacuum. So, I'm going to show you the attachments, then we'll go over test one, and then we'll end the video. First, we got the long hand, which I'm pretty sure I've showed you most of the vacuum handles in the videos of Hoover handles. And they're pretty long. But what if it can be more valuable with increased age? And then you could be like, wow, cool, nice, epic, cool. Yeah. And how would you feel if your life was like, wow, cool, epic, and insane? What? Well, that's one attachment. I'm happy because it has this, but the crevice tool they use for the sharks, like that's from a Dirt Devil. That is so from a Dirt Devil. It's and the most bad part is that this is not put in properly. This is like boom when it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be right here. It's down there. These people, I like that it's bag, but it's just weird because, it is a good vacuum, but it's type A. The type B is better because look at this. It has to be like this. The B is like smaller, and it's got like it's got like a whole thing. This is like. And then it just snaps out of place. Okay, that's done for the attachments. Okay, let's start with the vacuums.
What are you doing?
So, I like that it has a headlight and it also says stair cleaning handle. Little clever. Yeah, that's clever. I never knew that. I like that it has light and most things. Let's test this baby out. And here we go. A little bit of a rusty wind down. I'll say that right. It might be clogged because I don't know if the suction handle works. Let's just see. Because these Hoovers cost a lot of money now. Because these things are old. Like real old. So, let's see if the suction works. No suction. Nothing. And that's the end. So this is me checking out. I'll see you guys on the next episode. So, bye.